Science Stars Japan. Pillbugs came along, dancing to the rhythm of the tango, directed and video recorded by Mamoru Isomura. Edited by Hirokazu Kobayashi, drum performance by Tomohiro Kobayashi, digital piano performance by Kyoko Kobayashi. In Sci-Stars, J. Number 1, you saw a pillbug, right? You know that pillbugs are not insects but crustaceans, a group of arthropods like crabs and lobsters. Ants have food preferences, as shown in Sci-Stars J number 2 and number 3. It is said that pillbugs also have food preferences. There are differing opinions as to whether they like potatoes or not. Which is it? We put 50 pillbugs into a container with a grate. I collected the droppings, namely feces that fell to the bottom. Remember the shapes of the cut pieces of potato. After half an hour, they gathered a lot around the pieces. It looks like they're going to eat them. After 8 hours, I took them out. I could see some bite marks on the pieces of potato. But maybe they just nibbled on them. When we shone a black light on them, they glowed white. It's just like when we were observing ants. The biscuits glowed white. We'll have to investigate how they glow fluorescence in the case of biscuits. We know to some extent that the pieces of potato turn white under the black light. This is caused by chlorogenic acid, which is present in coffee. Now, what about pillbug feces? Pillbug feces are usually brown or black, but white they are mixed. These white feces proved that they ate potatoes. We fed other pillbugs the pieces of potato dyed with the red food dye, number 106, and the yellow food dye, riboflavin, used in the ant experiment, as you remember. We also collected the pillbugs' feces, lined them up, and illuminated them with a black light. And they appeared to glow red, white, and yellow. However, the enormous heart made of the pillbug's feces that ate the undyed potato doesn't glow more brightly than the feces of the pillbugs that ate the potato, dyed with fluorescent dyes. So, we used a pipette to wet the feces with water, and after 5 minutes, can you tell the difference? The black light is here. Red and yellow dyes have the property of dissolving in water. The chlorogenic acid and other pigments in potatoes that give off white light do not bleed because they are not readily soluble in water. It is known that chlorogenic acid is easily dissolved in water with alcohol. Summary 1. Pillbugs are not insects, but crustaceans, the same as crabs and lobsters. 2. When the experiment of feeding them potatoes was conducted, white feces were observed, so it can be said that pillbugs eat potatoes. It is known that their feces turn orange when they eat tomatoes. 3. When exposed to black light, potatoes and the feces of pillbugs that have eaten them glow white. One reason for this is that they contain chlorogenic acid. 4. If pillbugs eat potato dyed with a red or yellow fluorescent dye, riboflavin, their feces will fluoresce under a black light. These dyes dissolve well in water, and chlorogenic acid dissolves in water containing alcohol. 5. One ingredient in potatoes that fluoresces white under black light is chlorogenic acid, but other ingredients seem also involved. However, that is a topic for the future. 6. If you search for Tokushima Prefectural Museum and black light on the internet, you'll find all sorts of glowing things.